So I just wanted to take you through the new and improved Google Pixel 9 range. This is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is a larger model of the range. This year there's 3 versions, which is Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro in the same screen variant, and this is the 9 Pro XL. So this one, as you can see, is the bigger variant. It's got the 6.8-inch Actua display. This is sporting the 128 gig and 16 gigs of RAM, which is really good to support the AI features on this phone, which is now the Gemini Assistant, or Gemini, which is really good. So we'll just do a quick unboxing on this while we're here. So you've got these 2 little tabs here, pull these down, and then this slides off the core wrapper. Let's see if we can get it. I must say the unboxing experience of this is slightly annoying until you get that little bit of a strap there. Let's move these to one side. So that's the new pill-shaped design this year that looks very, very good against their Material U design. It also matches the design of the actual phone. And some people are saying obviously this is similar to what the Apple mobiles are like, so it looks very similar. So there you are, you've got the camera bar there, which is now being redesigned to the new version. So they're all 50 megapixel cameras, aside from a 48 megapixel wide 50 main camera and a 48 megapixel telephoto that lets you view up to 5x. Not digital zoom, this is actual optical zoom, which is brilliant. And then you can see on this version with the XL models, let me see if that zooms in there. This gives you the shiny aluminum bar with a matte back finish. So that's quite interesting this time around. So you can see in the shiny bar there. Let's just get this open. Beautiful, gorgeous display. Let's just get this done. So there's your camera bar there with a G in the bottom of the middle, the centralizer there. This gives you the shiny. So when you got the Pro XLs, or the Pro model, I believe, you get the shiny bezel. When you go for the Pixel 9 range, that is a matte finish on here and a shiny glossy back, where this is a matte finish back gloss effect, which feels really smooth actually. And you can just feel a little bit of an offset accent there for the G, which feels really cool. I really love this new camera bar this year. It looks very similar to what the Material U design looks like, and it feels really good in the hand. Really good. It looks very premium, feels premium, the weight is great, and that is the Pixel 9 Pro XL.